हेलो एवरीवन, क्या आप लोग भी आपकी स्किल्स को डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, लुकिंग आउट टू अपस्किल योरसेल्फ, एक करियर में स्विच लाना चाहते हैं या अपने आप को ज्यादा इक्विप बनाना चाहते हैं, लर्निंग मोर टूल्स? सो आज की इस क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले अबाउट द टॉप कोर्सेज ऑफ मेडिकल कोडिंग, मेडिकल स्क्राइबिंग एंड मेडिकल राइटिंग। अब गौर से समझिए इनका डिफरेंस। पीपल थिंक दे आर सेम, तो ऐसा नहीं है। मेडिकल स्क्राइबिंग मतलब आप एक फिजिशियन के साथ ऑलमोस्ट एक रियल टाइम काम करते हो। जो भी आपको मेडिकल हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड्स आते हैं या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड्स आते हैं, उन रिकॉर्ड्स के एस्पेक्ट से आप क्लिनिकल सेटिंग्स में एक प्रॉपर राइटिंग करते हैं। मेडिकल कोडर्स, आप पेशेंट के साथ इंटरैक्ट नहीं करते। इट्स अ स्टैंडर्डाइज अप्रोच जहां पे यू कोड जो अलग अलग कोड्स होते हैं, लाइक सीपीटी कोड्स, आईसीडी कोड्स, so particular diseases, particular procedures, so clinical notes होते हैं to code them particularly, right? So AHIMA, AAPC, they काफी अच्छे certification courses provide करते हैं। मैंने जो आपका लिखा है AHIMA, AAPC, they are some of the renowned names in the medical coding and scribing. मेडिकल राइटिंग मतलब आप एडवांस कम्युनिकेशंस, रेगुलेटरी राइटिंग होती है, साइंटिफिक राइटिंग होती है, सेफ्टी राइटिंग होती है, पब्लिकेशन राइटिंग होती है, बहुत सारी टाइप की मटेरियल होती है फॉर लिटरेचर, पेशेंट इंफॉर्मेशन, रेगुलेटरी सबमिशंस, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ। सो अब इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच what are the different opportunities, career avenues and prospects which you can get into after getting yourself enrolled into these courses. So medical coding, as I told you, AHIMA and AAPC, these are the two most trusted website. So actually अगर आप देखें तो बहुत सारे का certification है, but many of them are fraud, फर्जी, scam. What you need to know is believe in the authenticate courses which provide you with good knowledge and good skills, right? Because insights हर जगह से मिल सकते हैं, but genuine ones are the ones जो आपको इस वीडियो में I will be highlighting. Then there's a UC San Diego, Chicago. This one is also a very good course of medical writing. So medical coding certification programs, usually it can give you 20 to 50% of salary boost because you are becoming an expert in coding, right? So the first is the AAPC, which is the American Academy of Professional Coders, and it is a certified professional coder course where you have the HCPCS, ICD-10, CPT, ये सारे course, ये सारे coding methods, methodologies होते हैं. Then you work with real-time physicians. And there are a lot of examinations. मतलब ये ऐसे ही नहीं कि घर बैठे बैठे. You have to go for the exam. You have to sit for that 100 MCQ questions. Then you have AHIMA. AHIMA is also one of the very renowned certification courses for CCA. That is a Certified Coding Associate and Certified Coding Specialist. CCA and CCS. So ideally आपको A करना चाहिए अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता. S is for like complex DRGs, inpatient. It's not just for outpatient, it's for inpatient as well. राइट? सो एम्बुलेटरी पेशेंट के साथ साथ आप इन पेशेंट को भी डील करना सीख लेते हो। अहिमा जहाँ पे आप मैम रीएम्बर्समेंट एंड मेडिकल कोडिंग होता है, सो अगेन एसोसिएट के क्रॉस पर्ड्यू ग्लोबल के बारे में होती है, यूनिवर्सिटीज, पर्ड्यू यूनिवर्सिटी, SNHU. So these are ahima.org is the website where you can check out these courses. HCPCS, CPT, ICD-10, these are all biomedical concepts and coding procedures that you can learn from these. Similarly, when I talk about medical scribing, it is approximately 4 to 10 weeks of program जो ACS, जो ACMS है वो वगैरह provide करवाते हैं, which is the med experts. And then you have medical scribing professionals that take up responsibility of getting you through to the electronic health records, HIPAA, health integrity, and a lot of different guidelines, medical terminologies that you understand and you learn. Then you have the Scribe America, where you get to know about the clinical workflows, the AHDI, which is the medical scribe program for the integrity, EHR, and patient confidentiality. Because patient integrity and data confidentiality is the utmost priority and utmost importance. Then you also have some free medical coding courses from Coursera and other domains from which you can go through it. So medical writing certifications include AHIMA and AACS. These are some of the most renowned and most trustable platforms. Then you have Stanford University of School of Medicine via Coursera that provides a collaborative course which helps you to learn about the CME credits, the manuscript writing, peer reviewing, primary and secondary literature search. What are the grants? How do you write a grant? Everything. basic information. Then you have the coding writing for the clinical documents like investigator brochure, clinical study reports, patient information leaflets, patient inserts, CMC, chemistry manufacturing document when you're filing the ECTD, CTD, so CTD, non-clinical and clinical study overview, summary reports, how to write analysis, network meta-analysis, systematic literature review, all the observational interventional studies, how do you make the documents required, clinical study protocol, clinical study design, all of these things you can learn. Um, and then there is, medical UC San Diego courses. So these are all paid courses that you need to shell out money, but they have a value. For free, of course, there are of course courses like the AMW mini tutorial courses, Duke tutorial, ICMG, International Journal for Medical Journal Ethics. For the journal, you have Prisma guidelines, COPE guidelines, ICMG guidelines, Consort. They are free reporting guidelines for the different publications. Learning about the blinding, confounding, randomization. They are also some of the very integral parts of your learning. So this is a tabulated form of a summary which gives you a complete information about the course program, the categories, whether they are medical coding, medical scribing, medical writing, and the duration, the cost, are they free or they paid, and are they on a trial basis? Like there are certain organizations that provide you financial aids, financial assistance. If you come from a if you come from a middle class family, then which path is right for you? It's the best that which path you choose because they are interchangeably used, but they are not the same, right? Working in a clinical setting, not working in a clinical setting, or working thoroughly in a documentation is up to you that which field you choose. And I hope that this series is working for you well. We have courses on pharmacovigilance, clinical research and data management, HEOR, MSL, regulatory and medical affairs, medical coding, scribing and writing, pharmaceutical marketing, sales, and the different domains like the competitive intelligence and forecasting. So I hope that you will watch all of these videos if you're looking out to upskill yourself, to develop new skills, learn new skills, and get yourself acquainted and familiarize with a wide array of topics and terminologies. So this can help you to get a salary hike of 20 to 30% or help you to switch over the job if you're looking out as a job switcher. Stay connected with us. Do like to subscribe our channel for more such upcoming videos.